Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and continue to thrive. It's a crucial skill for long-term success in both personal and professional life. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you build resilience. 1. Self-awareness and acceptance. Understand your emotions. Recognize and acknowledge your feelings without judgment. Practice mindfulness. Be present in the moment and observe your thoughts and emotions. Accept imperfections. Embrace the idea that everyone makes mistakes and experiences setbacks. 2. Cultivate a growth mindset. Believe in your potential. Understand that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Embrace challenges. View setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Learn from failures. Analyze your mistakes to identify areas for improvement. 3. Build strong support systems. Connect with others. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. Seek guidance. Don't hesitate to ask for help or advice when needed. Join communities. Participate in groups or organizations that share your interests. Develop healthy coping mechanisms. Practice self-care. Prioritize activities that promote physical and mental well-being. Engage in hobbies. Find enjoyable activities that help you relax and de-stress. Limit negative influences. Avoid situations or people that contribute to stress or anxiety. Set realistic goals. Break down goals. Divide large goals into smaller, achievable steps. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge and reward your progress along the way. Be flexible. Adapt your goals as needed to account for unexpected challenges. Learn from adversity, identify lessons. Reflect on the past setbacks to understand what you can learn, find meaning. Look for positive outcomes or growth opportunities even in difficult situations. Maintain perspective. Remember that setbacks are temporary and you can overcome them. Practice gratitude. Focus on the positive. Acknowledge the good things in your life. Keep a gratitude journal. Write down things you're thankful for each day. Express gratitude. Share your appreciation with others. By incorporating these steps into your daily life, you can strengthen your resilience and increase your chances of long-term success. Remember, building resilience is a journey and it takes time and practice.